his nerves and showed a lot of character. I'm going with Tilak Verma.
We've got a big statement coming in from Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who has tweeted a congratulatory message to our cricketers. But he says the Indian Prime Minister is saying hashtag Operation Sindoor on the games field. Outcome is the same. India wins. Congrats to our cricketers. That's a big, big message coming in, and you can imagine what all has happened as far as this Asia Cup is concerned. Everything had become about India and Pakistan, and India set the tone by not shaking hands with the Pakistani team. And I think from there it was clear the match or the game, as they say, is not over between India and Pakistan. The Prime Minister kind of voicing the opinion of 1 billion Indians today, saying Operation Sindoor on the games field, but the result is the same. Big message coming in from the Indian Prime Minister. That just goes on to show that yes, this is a sport, but this is not just any other sport. And yes, this is a match, but this is not any other match. This is more than that. And given the build-up and given all the, the acrimony that we saw on the field, this was a little bit more, and finally our boys have done it, and the way they've done it absolutely is going to be giving nightmares to the Pakistani team, Vimal, for a very long time. Let me just also very quickly read out as far as what Sanju Samson has said, because he had a crucial role to play today. He says he enjoyed the pressure, hadn't played many India-Pakistan games and had to settle his nerves, had to adapt to the conditions, but such close knockout games prepare us for challenges ahead, like the World Cup. You believe the Indian team has announced itself firmly for the next edition as well? Yes, Vimal.
Yeah, I think, see, now earlier I was talking of this, see, the leadership. Again, you can see that the kind of restraint Indian government had. There was so much talk, even when Indian team came, a lot of our own people were saying boycott, why they had gone to play the game. Everyone was questioning BCCI. But one must see, I never indulge into all this political talk because I restrict myself to cricket. But this was a different kind of tournament. What Pakistan was doing, I think it was a befitting reply. And Indian team, the way Mr. Modi has carried himself, he waited for the result. And then you should hurt the enemy when it hurts most. Now Mr. Modi's statement, it must be hurting as much as it is hurting the defeat. This is called the diplomacy at the highest level. This shows, the earlier Surya Kumar Yadav said that we all are in sync. We all are aligned, whether it's Indian government, BCCI and Indian cricket team. And it shows, it proved. You look at the way Indian team conducted itself despite the provocation of Interior Minister of Pakistan, Mohsin Naqvi. He had such a blatant conflicting role, both as a PCB chairman and then ACC, Asian Cricket Council chairman. He did not care for his own tournament. But in the end, they tried to do a lot of things. I think this is like a, I don't know. Sometimes, Shivani, I just simply don't know. I'm struggling with the word, what to say. On every front, we talk about cricket, batting, bowling, fielding. Look at the diplomatic front. Look at the BCCI handled the entire thing. Hats off to Indian cricket team. Hats off to the Indian government, the way they have handled. And I'm just curious because throughout this tournament, I have not managed to speak to any of the Pakistani players or their, commentators. It will be interesting to see what their reaction is now.
Absolutely. The big message coming in from none other than the Prime Minister of the country, talking about how it's Operation Sindoor on the games field as well. India beating Pakistan. The result stays the same. The Prime Minister says India wins. This is a message that goes beyond cricket, because whether it is antics of the Pakistani team on the pitch where they were talking, making gestures of jets downing, or 6-0, this was the same narrative of the Pakistani administration that the team was taking forward. But in one sweet line, the Prime Minister has demolished the narrative of the entire Pakistan country and establishment, saying it is Operation Sindoor on the games field, and the result stays the same, which is that India wins. This is a message to the global community as well, that India won as far as Operation Sindoor is concerned. And no matter what Pakistan may say, no matter what anybody may say, the result is always going to be the same. They can fool only some people some of the times, or maybe in their country, everybody all the time. But certainly as far as India is concerned, the Indian public is concerned, the global community is concerned, they all know what happened. All of those antics, not sufficient enough, Piyush, isn't it? That's the big message. You've got to speak with the ball, with the bat.
Well, it was a very sweet and simple gesture from our respected PM Saab, and you don't need to say many things. You know, he just conveyed it very simply, and that's what you want. You just go out there on the field, whatever field you're going to. It's either, you know, on the ground or outside the ground. You just need to give a normal, simple reply, just coming as a victorious team. That's all.
Absolutely.